Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to talk about how to do your research before buying anything. Now, if you're looking for a really good video, like well edited and good quality, then you should probably click off. Today I'm going to share how I make my purchases after doing a good amount of research, and that leads me to no regret after buying the product. Let's talk about today's video. So, have you ever bought a product and then you regretted about it because it wasn't working as promised, and the product was not worth your money? Now, this happens to all of us. Don't worry. Today, I am going to tell you how to do your research, like a foolproof way of doing your research, and this guide will save you both your time and money, and also maybe frustration if you get frustrated after making a bad purchase. So let's get right into it, and let's talk about step 1. The step 1 is to define your needs. Now, defining your needs, you have to be clear about what you want to purchase. I will be defining my needs for now. So what I need is I want to buy a laptop for school. Okay, so for example, I want to buy a laptop for school. What do I need for that? So just define your needs. For example, coding. I want it for coding. Then what is the other need which I want it for? So after coding, I want the laptop to have an anti-glare display. So it has to be an anti-glare display for my eyes and good battery. I'm writing backup, which is battery backup. So these are the main things which I want. It has to be good with coding, anti-glare display, and battery backup. Now I will also set the budget to be 30,000. So this is my needs. I want a laptop which is budget inside 30,000 rupees. It is for coding, anti-glare display for eyes, and good battery backup for college purpose. So guys, now that we have set our needs, we have defined our needs, now we are gonna search for reliable sources. Now for me, a reliable source is Amazon. Amazon is a reliable source for me, so I will be going to Amazon. Now let me just share my screen. Now I'll be going to amazon.in. So in amazon.in, I'll search for laptop, anti-glare display, and what else do I need? I need for coding, that we can check out. So I need mainly anti-glare display and laptop, and I want to set the price tag. Since my budget is 30k, I'm going to set the price tag up to 32,000. Okay. So after setting my price tag, what I will do is I'll search for the laptops. So guys, now that you have selected the laptops you need, for me, I have selected these 3 laptops randomly, which came up and has anti-glare display. So what I'll do is I'll close Amazon. I don't need that. Now I have these 3 laptops here. Now what do we do as a next step? So the next step will be checking out the reviews. Now to check out the reviews, I usually go for 2 steps in that. First is checking out the inbuilt Amazon reviews here. If you scroll down in the product, you will see the reviews. Okay. Now this step only comes after you have thoroughly checked all the specifications and everything, and you have Google searched everything that you did not understand from the product. So let's assume I have checked everything from here. Okay, I've checked everything in these laptops, and then after doing that, I'm coming to check the reviews. Now over here, you can check all the reviews. Mainly there will be 2 different types of reviews that I'll be watching. One is I'll change this to most recent and I'll see. So everyone is saying good quality, keyboard is very hard and overheat, so that's a red flag. But we'll check out all the reviews and we'll see if there is any negatives. So there are a few negatives here which is there. Okay, I'll zoom in so that you can see it a bit better. So here the reviews part, you can see this is a good laptop, but then there is something heating issue, average for students. Now I'm a student checking out for the laptop, so that could be something which I have to check. And then there is like after 1 month reset code error. What is that? No idea, just search it up. And you know, these reviews you can check. So what you can do is check out each negative reviews over here. So that's the first step which I do, check out the reviews on Amazon. Now the second step which I do is go to youtube.com. Now go to youtube.com, just copy this laptop's name and then paste it over here and search. So now youtube.com, you can see the same laptop NP4500. So this, you can check out these reviews after 7-month review and like that. Okay, just check out these reviews here on YouTube. And then after that, after checking out these reviews, I'll just come up here in the search bar and type don't buy. Now this is something which you have to do with all the products. Come to search bar and type don't buy this laptop, don't buy NP whatever this laptop is. Okay, so I'll click on don't buy. After I do that, here if I see any negative videos like don't buy, just keep in search for negative videos here, and it seems that there are no negative videos. That's great. So after that, I'll research for this laptop. Okay, I'll just select this, I'll come back here, I'll paste it. Similarly, I'll search for it, and after that, after watching the reviews here, I'll go for don't buy. So this is the steps which you have to do. Right now I'm showing for laptop, but it can be for anything, like for gimbal. Don't buy Digitech gimbal. So Digitech gimbal is something which I have, and then here you see how to operate a digital gimbal. Don't buy this unless. See, these type of videos you can watch. Don't buy before watching this video. So just watch these videos because it will give you it will give you some information about what are the cons of the product. Once you have checked all the reviews, the next step is spotting fake reviews. Okay, so you have decided what laptop to buy, and after watching the reviews, after watching Amazon, after watching all the reviews which you can find and the videos about the laptop, the next is spot fake reviews. Now how can you spot fake reviews? Fake reviews can be spotted in some ways, which is one, the laptop company has sponsored someone, or the product company has sponsored someone to talk about them. So in that case, they won't be speaking about the negatives of the product. Now the next way is see if the reviews are repetitive. If the reviews are repetitive, there is a high chance those are fake reviews. See if the review is overly positive. If that's happening, then high chance that the review is a fake review. So after doing that, visiting reliable sources, searching for reviews, coming up with I want these laptops, and then you'll have a short list of laptops. Then you have to search for fake reviews. Does any product have a fake review? And then after all that, the next step is compare the products. So now we have compared the products based on its specifications, prices, and battery life, camera quality, and all those things which a laptop has. After comparing that, Now, be it a mobile phone, if you're buying a mobile phone, you will compare all the specs like camera, software, updates, and all those things, warranty, policies, written policies, everything. After comparing that, the next thing which you have to do is, read the fine print. Read the fine print of the product. Now, that is like, for example, this product that I have here, I have to read the fine print. The fine print will be 7 days replacement. So some products will give no replacement. So you have to be careful about it. So this has 7 days replacement, free delivery, pay on delivery, and everything is there. Device setup available. All this thing is there. So you have to check the fine prints here, operating system, and everything. Now, after you finish checking the fine prints, before you commit, if it's a product which you can test from an offline shop, if you can go to an offline shop, test the product, do that. If you can't go to an offline shop and test the product, just like how we check the reviews on YouTube, watch a bit more long-term reviews, like 6 months after using the product, 1 year after using the product. Like when I bought these earphones, what I did was I checked long-term reviews and all those things. So you have to check before committing, and then after that you are done. You have selected your product, and most probably the product will be, as promised. It will work as promised, and it will be value for your money. So let's recap everything, and by following these steps, you will never regret a purchase again. So the steps are: define your needs, use reliable sources like Amazon. Second, the third one is spot fake reviews, compare products, and then read the fine prints. Okay, so these steps is what you have to follow, and if possible, you can go to an offline store and check out the product. Now, in smartphones, you can go to an offline store and check out the product. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I do the research, and hopefully you understood how to do a research for buying the product. And if you have any feedback, do leave it in the comments, and hope the video was helpful. Do hit the like button, subscribe button, and share this video if someone wants to know how to do a research. And yeah, if you are planning to buy something, do mention it on the comments so I can help you with some of the research. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video.